What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the 2021 Peugeot Landtrek pickup truck has finally made its debut, and Peugeot has entered a highly competitive one-ton pickup truck market in the Middle East and Africa with the Landtrek. Now, presented last year, it's finally up for grabs with the official launch kicked off remotely by the brand's director Linda Jackson and Stellantis regional COO Samir Shafan. Now, the truck will be available at more than 180 Peugeot retailers in the three body styles: single cab, double cab, and chassis cab. Now, with a range of customized accessories that will include a chrome roll bar, running boards, thermoformed body protection, hardtop safety maps, alarm, and even more. Now, promising a generous interior space, the Landtrek benefits from a 10-inch touchscreen display inspired by the 508s with a 10GB hard drive, Bluetooth, and Apple CarPlay with Android Auto smartphone integration. Now, it also features up to 4 exterior cameras, hill descent control, trailer swing control, lane departure warning, and other safety gear. Customers can also choose between a 1.9-liter diesel with 150 PS, 148 horsepower, 110 kilowatts, and 350 newton meters, 258 pound-feet of torque, and then a turbocharged 2.4-liter petrol rated 210 PS, 207 horsepower, 154 kilowatts, and 320 newton meters, 236 pound-feet of torque. Now, both units are offered with a GetRag 6-speed manual transmission, though a punch 6-speed automatic with 3 driving modes, manual, sport, and eco, is an option for the petrol engine. Now, base versions come with a rear-wheel drive, while a 4-wheel drive system with 4L and 4H modes is also available. Now, depending on the version of Peugeot's pickup, it has a maximum ground clearance of 235 millimeters, 9.3 inches, attack and departure angles at 2930 and 2726 degrees, and 600 millimeters, 23.6 inches fording depth. Now, it also has a maximum payload of more than 1 ton, 2,205 pounds, and 3.5 tons, 7,716 pounds towing capacity. And as far as maintenance goes, it's extended to 10,000 kilometers or 6,214 miles, and the Landtrek is also accompanied by a 3-year, 100,000 kilometer or 62,137 mile warranty. So with that said, does the 2021 Landtrek really make its mark in the highly competitive segment? Let us know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy this video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you get a thumbs up, we'll help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the 2021 Peugeot Landtrek pickup truck. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you guys want to get t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise there. I'm also on Patreon, be a monthly subscriber there, or check me out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, see everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos. It doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, with that said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one news video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.